Hello and welcome, Stellar friends, to another Stellar Guitarist song tutorial. Today, I'm so excited to be teaching you how to play While My Guitar Gently Weeps by the Beatles. What an iconic song. I'm sure you'll agree that there is a lot of great musicianship to unpack in today's lesson. We're going to be starting the song in the key of A minor before we modulate into the key of A major, giving us two very distinctive sounds to explore. Along the way, we will uncover a handful of exciting chords, as well as learn that walking bass line that drives the verse and gives the song so much character. So as you can tell, there are a lot of fun musical ideas to dig into today. So grab your guitar and let's dive in. So to kick things off, just make sure your guitar is in standard tuning and we do not need a capo for the lesson. Let's jump into looking at the verse. So the chords will be up on the screen and we're going to be starting off with a regular A minor chord. From here we have an A minor over G, and what this means is that we'll be playing an A minor chord with a G note in the bass. So how are we going to achieve this? What we need to do is we need to grab the G in the bass on our low E string. So that's going to be the 3rd fret on our low E string. This note here is G. So the way we're going to play this is holding a regular A minor chord, and we're going to take our pinky and we're going to stretch it across into that 3rd fret on the low E string. And there we have our G in the bass. So you can strum all the strings. This is a tricky chord to achieve, so you're going to need to take a little bit of time and really strengthen those fingers. Next up, we have an A minor over F sharp, so it's a very similar principle. What we need to do here is grab the F sharp in the bass. And to do this, we need to take our thumb, and the thumb is going to come over to squeeze down that F sharp, which is the 2nd fret on our low E string. And again, we can strum all the strings here. And then the next chord we need is an F major 7 chord. And for this, nice and easy, we're just playing an open chord here. Now, of course, if you want to continue with that walking bass line, you can also use your thumb to squeeze down the 1st fret on the low E string, which will give us that F in the bass. For me, this is really uncomfortable and I just don't really like playing this. So I'm going to leave it out, but you are welcome to do that. So you would then have the G in the bass, the F sharp in the bass, and then your F in the bass. So you choose whatever's going to be most comfortable for you. The next chord we're going to be needing in the sequence is our A minor again, to a regular G major. We have D major, and then we have an E major chord. So once you've worked on those chords and they're sounding comfortable and you have them under your fingers, we're going to take a look at the strumming pattern that we are going to use throughout the entire song. And it's going to sound something like this. Down, 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 up, down, up. It's really easy. It's not syncopated. We're just playing on all the strong beats and a few of the ands as well. So we're going to count this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. And what I want you to try do is put emphasis on that 2nd down strum. So that means just strumming beat number 2 a little bit stronger, a little bit louder than all the other strums. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, dum. So you see how it's going to drive the song forward. Okay, so let's go ahead and put that into action with the chords from the verse. So we have the A minor chord, which is going to get 1 round of the pattern. We change to the A minor over G. And for this down strum, try and focus on just that bass string. So it's almost like a boom chuck that we're doing here. A boom chuck. Down, up, down, up. The same for the A minor over F sharp. Boom chuck. Down, up, down, up. Okay, really bringing out that bass string on that 1st down strum. And then to our F major 7, down, down, then going to change back to A minor, to our G chord, D major, E. Alright, so as you can see, that's down, 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 up is happening on every single chord. Now, we've just looked at the first half of the verse. There is a second half of the verse in terms of a chord sequence. You're going to notice it is almost identical. We just have one chord that we're going to swap out. So the second half of the verse chords are up on the screen, and the chord I'm talking about is the second last chord. Instead of playing a D major, we're now playing a C major in its place. So let's try play the second half of that verse using the strumming pattern. Down, 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 up on each of the chords. Okay, and I'm not going to do any interrupting with any talking. So let's go together. 2, 3, 4. A minor, G, C, E. Okay, so what I think we can do now is try and do a full demo of the whole verse with some singing for context. So here we go, starting on that A minor. A 1, 2, 3. I look at you all, see the love there that's sleeping. A minor. While the G chord gently D chord, E, I, A minor to the floor, and I see it needs F major 7, A minor, my G chord, gently C chords, and E. So that is the verse done and dusted. By the way, the chords we played during the verse are also played in the intro, the outro, as well as the guitar solo section. Okay, in this lesson, we're not covering any solos. We're just working on the strumming and the chords. So just take note of that. What we'll be doing next is moving on to look at the chorus. And this is where we are modulating from that sad A minor section. We're going to be modulating to the key of A major. This is our bright and happy section of the song, okay? So we have an A major chord first, and unfortunately we have quite a handful of bar chords coming up as well. Please don't shoot the messenger. So do your best, and this might be a really great song for you to just bite the bullet and to really just focus on learning how to play bar chords. And if you need some help with that, then I'm your go-to girl. You can go check out my guitar course called Let's Level Up. In the Let's Level Up course, we cover everything from power chords to bar chords to intermediate and advanced strumming patterns. And we also go and check out a little bit of finger picking as well. So it really has everything packaged into one program. The link is below this video, so go check it out. I know you will love being part of the Let's Level Up guitar course. So let's get back to checking out the chorus. We're starting on that A major chord. From here, we're moving into a C sharp minor chord. Now to play this chord, we're going to take our first finger and we're going to bar it in the 4th fret, and we're going to be using an A minor chord shape with our other 3 fingers. And here we have a C sharp minor. From here we have F sharp minor. We take our first finger, we're going to be barring in the 2nd fret, and we're going to be using an E minor chord shape. From here, we go back to C sharp minor. Okay, if you're wanting to learn how to get beautiful, crisp sounding bar chords like I'm playing here, and to be able to move between them nice and smoothly, then again, that Let's Level Up course is going to be your ticket. So I really believe in my programs, which is why I'm harping on about them, because I see so many students struggling with playing bar chords, and I just want you to know that it doesn't have to be that way. The next thing we need is a B minor chord. So for B minor, we have our bar in the 2nd fret, and we're using an A minor chord shape as well for this one. And we're going to play that for 2 rounds before we move to an E sus4 chord. Now for the E sus4, if you go and find a regular E major, all you're going to do is place your pinky into that 2nd fret on that G string. And then you'll lift it up to play a regular E chord. Okay. Now the strumming pattern we need here is exactly the same. Down, 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 up, down, up. Okay. So let's go through that nice and slowly together with the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. C sharp minor, F sharp minor, C sharp minor, B minor, hold it, E sus4, and to an E. And that chord sequence gets repeated again during the chorus. So let's do it one more time. And A, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and C sharp minor, F sharp minor, down, 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 up, C sharp minor, B minor for 2 rounds, repeats, E sus4, and E. We'll do it a little bit faster and I'll add some singing for you. So 1, 2, 3. I don't know why nobody told you, B minor, how to unfold your love. Back to our A major. I don't know how someone controlled you. They bought and sold you. All right, folks, that is as simple as the song is in terms of structure. We only needed to learn 2 sections of the song. That would be our verse / intro / outro / instrumental. So the chords that we used in the A minor section of the song are used for all those sections. And then we have our chorus, which is where we modulated to the key of A major, and that is the 2nd section of the song that we needed to learn. What we're going to be doing next is putting it all together in a play along coming up next. So have your guitar ready and I'll see you there. So it is play along time, everyone. Get ready on that A minor chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. I look at you all, see the love there that's sleeping, while my guitar gently weeps. I look at the floor and I see it needs sweeping. Still my guitar gently weeps. I don't know why nobody told you how to unfold your love. I don't know how someone controlled you. They bought and sold you. I look at the world and I notice it turning, while my guitar gently weeps. With every mistake we must show guitar gently weeps. Don't know how you were diverted, you were perverted too. I don't know how you were inverted, no one alerted you. I look at you all, see the love there that's sleeping, while my guitar gently weeps. Look at you all, still my guitar gently So that is a wrap, everyone. That is how you play While My Guitar Gently Weeps on the guitar. If you enjoyed the lesson, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed this lesson, then go check out Hey Jude, which is being flashed on the screen right now. Until next time, I'll see you in another lesson very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.